Hello and welcome to my daily disaster news channel. The information in the video shows links that in Mecca, Saudi Arabia.
الآن الساعة الآن 6:30.
شوف السيارات شوف السيارات.
A fierce storm struck Mecca, Saudi Arabia, bringing with it strong wind that knocked people off their feet and caused chaos across the city. The gusts of wind reached unprecedented intensity, creating hazardous conditions for pedestrians and disrupting daily life in the holy city. In addition to the powerful winds, heavy rainfall led to severe flooding in several areas of Mecca. Emergency services and local residents joined forces to assist those affected by the storm.
يا الله الله يستر الله يستر الله يستر الحين.
As the storm continued, local authorities issued safety warnings urging residents and visitors to stay indoors and avoid unnecessary travel.
لا إله إلا الله. شوف دخل الغرف حق تابع البقالة وهنا البقالة دخل الموية.
الله لنا في
The gusty winds reaching speeds of up to 100 km per hour have posed a significant threat to residents and visitors, making movement difficult and dangerous.
العابدية عند الجامعة.
لا إله إلا الله. لا إله.
يا عيال احنا في العوالي نغرق.
Emergency services are working tirelessly to provide assistance and support to affected residents as the city grapples with the aftermath of this unexpected and severe weather event.
جام شيء بار مرة.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.
عمود